How to send large videos on Gmail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send large videos on Gmail. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out how we can do that. So if you want to send large videos on Gmail, you can head over to the Gmail application, and we normally go ahead and compose an email, and then we can select up the media that you want to send. But there is certain requirement from Gmail that only allows a certain amount of video to be uploaded. So if you want to send large videos on Gmail, what you can do is close your Gmail application and then head over to your Google Drive application instead. Once you are here, you need to upload the video to your Google Drive account. Once that is done, you can right click on the video. You'll be finding this option called share. You can use this option in order to share the video. Or you can also copy the link. So you can tap on the three dot and tap this copy link option. After the link is copied, you can head over to the mail that you're trying to compose with the large video file. Tap on this compose email section, and under subject, you can just go ahead and paste the link of the video that you're trying to send. After that, tap on the send button in the top, and it should send the large video on your Gmail where you are trying to send it. So that is how you send large videos on Gmail easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.